Some news in Justice Now. Stakeholders in the justice system, including justices of the peace, are being encouraged to start telling members of their community about the imminent gun amnesty and how they can make use of it before the tough new firearms law takes effect. The charge was given by Justice Minister Delroy Chuck, even as he called on the church and Christians to play a more active role in the fight against crime and disorder in the country. More in this report.
In the last few days after an incident at the Oberlin High School during devotion. And while not commenting on that incident, the Justice Minister Delroy Chuck said he's convinced the church is needed to help fix Jamaica's problems.
I am now reaching out to the churches to assist us, not only in the justice program, but to assist us in controlling the indiscipline, the lawlessness, the corruption and the criminality and wrongdoing of all kinds across Jamaica.
Mr. Chuck begged Jamaicans, including the country's many Christians, to stop being afraid of reporting criminals, as it is a matter of time before the criminals turn their guns on them.
Far too many of these community members, they see it happening, and what they do, they go to church and ask for forgiveness, ask for God to protect them. The truth of the matter is that, yes, I believe in prayer, but many of them need to come forward now and call the police and say where these guns are.
And speaking about illegal guns,
the new Firearms Act is going to be implemented soon. There's going to be an amnesty, and I can only beg a few JPs to tell the communities, inform and the criminals, tell them to bring in the guns. Because if they don't, and they are found, the minimum sentence is 15 years.
The Justice Minister addressed justices of the peace in Clarendon, where he reminded them not to charge for their services. But he had this advice for JPs on how they can earn.
But if you act as a mediator, you can charge. And with restorative justice, if you get trained as a facilitator, you will be paid. And the Ministry of Justice have enough money to pay for all cases that are referred to mediation and to restorative justice, certainly during this fiscal year. And I'm dying to use up the money because I'm begging my friend to double up the money next year. But it's not that I want to use up the money just to use it for using up sake. I want more conflicts to be settled.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.